Do you know how much energy water loses as it flows through a pipe? Today we calculate it. We have a steel pipe, we have a steel we have a steel 100 meters long, 50 millimeters in diameter, with a flow rate of 5 liters per second. It includes two 90-degree elbows. How much head loss does it generate? We enter the data into the app. Length, flow rate, diameter, material, steel with a C coefficient of 140, and the fittings with their K coefficient. The Hazen-Williams equation, published in 1906, relates head loss to flow rate as diameter, length, and material roughness. It is the most widely used formula in pressure water network design. We substitute the values. Velocity is 2.55 meters per second. The friction loss gives 13.43 meters. The minor losses, 0.59. Total, 14.02 meters of water column. Minor losses depend on the K coefficient of each fitting. Each 90-degree elbow has a K value of 0.9. With two elbows, the total K is 1.8. The final result, 14.02 meters of head loss. Friction accounts for 96%. In this case, fittings contribute little, but in installations with many valves and elbows, they can dominate. Find the app on the app stores. Hydraulics in Depth. Transparent blue water.
A universe of precision. Microscopic pathways carrying